Cleaning your boat is not as much fun as fishing from it, but keeping it clean is one of the best ways to ensure it retains maximum value at trade-in time. I learned years ago there's two ways to clean a boat. One is easy and one is a lot more work. Let me start with the easy one. As soon as the boat is on the trailer and away from the launch ramp, I'll quickly wipe it down with a clean microfiber towel, spraying it first with a quality cleaner to remove as much grime as possible. Cleaning and drying the boat before hitting the road eliminates hard water spots and lake scum before either have a chance to dry on my hull. Drying the hull also prevents road dust from accumulating on the way home. When I get home, I'll polish the boat with glare blast polish to keep the boat looking great and provide a level of protection that makes future cleanings easier. Of course, there are times I'll wait to wipe the boat down at home, and each time it's a reminder that wiping down at the ramp is much easier. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.